In this video, we'll show you how to make a toupee template fast and fun, and it will completely transform your hair system preparing experience. Before you start, you'll need a Bono Hair System Template Maker Pro, a thermoplastic film, heat gun, a marker, and scissors. Step 1. Place the thermoplastic film onto the template maker. Make sure all rivets are inserted into the punched holes. Fasten the film with latches. Step 2. Set the heat gun at the highest temperature and heat the film evenly till it turns soft. Step 3. Cool down the film for a few seconds, then put it onto the client's head to model his head curvature. Wait for the film to cool off and shape. It usually takes 20 to 30 seconds. Step 4. Use a marker to outline the hair loss area. Mark the direction and front hairline. Step 5. Cut the excessive materials to get an accurate template. Step 6. Double-check to make sure the curvature and perimeter are accurate. Compared to the template I made last time with cling wrap, I surely love the thermoplastic one more. How about you? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Send the template together with your order form and hair sample to Bono Hair to order custom-made hair systems.